In this video, I'm going to show you how to strum smoothly using a pick so you can sound like a pro on your guitar. Let's do this. Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you learn guitar and unleash the musician within. You know, within, in here? You know what I mean. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell so I can get you some more great guitar lessons and tutorials. Getting a smooth strum using a pick can be a little rough at first. But if you do know how to get a good smooth strum, you can make some great music even with just a few chords. The key is knowing how to hold the pick properly and just a couple of simple techniques. Let's get started with the best ways to hold the pick. I'm going to show you two different ways to hold the pick. The first way has your palm and your hand basically parallel to the guitar. The pick's sticking out this way and it strikes along the strings like this. The key to making this work properly is you're going to strike down and angle the pick up slightly on the way down and then turn your wrist slightly so on the way up, it glides along the strings on the way up. It's not straight up and down the whole way. That would make a rough sound. This makes it smoother. The other technique that I can tell you now that will really help is when you tighten up on the pick, you're actually putting the pick on your first knuckle or your first finger and then your thumb over it. And when you tighten up there, roll your thumb back a little bit so there's more pressure on this part of your thumb than on the first part. It allows the pick to wiggle a little bit more. So the combination of wiggling and turning my hand slightly makes for a smooth strum. Can you see the pick wiggling a little bit? Now, if I don't wiggle it and tighten up straight up and down, it's very rough. If I let it wiggle and angle, it's smooth. Now, the second technique is to angle your fingers a little bit this way so that the palm is not exactly parallel to the guitar, but your hand is pointed towards the guitar a little bit. This makes more of a brushing sound on the guitar, and there's a little different style. Now you're going to want to angle the pick quite a bit to make that work. You angle on the way down, up, and on the way, when your hand's going up, the pick's angling down. And again, you don't want to tighten up too hard, but have a nice loose hold on the pick, but enough so it won't just fly out of your fingers. You have to tighten up. People do have problems with it flying out of their fingers. You have to tighten up enough to hold on to it, or you'll be strumming with your fingers. Now, a good way to practice this is just to take a simple chord and try, first of all, getting the feel of what makes a harsh sound and what makes a smooth sound. You can see that I've tightened up a little bit and tightened my wrists as well, so it's not moving and it's starting to get harsher. That's even a sound I want sometimes. I want to dig in. So it's a useful sound, but if you want a smooth sound, which most of the time you do, you want to get a feel for how much you tighten to hold on, but still can let the pick wobble. This video is part of a playlist called Guitar Strumming Lessons. Make sure and subscribe if you want to learn more about strumming, and I'll let you know when more of the videos are live. If they're already live by the time you've gotten to this place, I'll go ahead and put a card somewhere up there so that it'll direct you to the playlist, and you can go there and check out the videos on the subject that you want to learn about guitar strumming. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if this video has helped you. And if there's something that you'd like me to make a video lesson on, let me know in the comments below and maybe I can help you out. Until next time.